Now we'll see this problem, figure number 8, where we can find out this is front view, this is top view. In front view you will get length and height, and in top view you get length and width. So you can find out the length is 25 plus 20 plus 25, it is 70, and the height is 21 plus 7 plus 6, so it is 34. So you can draw a line. So the length is 70 at 30 degrees and the height is 34. So draw this box. So it is 70 by 34. So let us start with the front view first. Now here 25, you can leave 25. Then from this side also 25. This is say 20, so make it dark. Then the height of this is 6. So this is 6. These two lines must be parallel to this. Then from here the surface is going to this side, parallel to this. Then the height of this is 7, and from here the surface is going, so it is 15, it is given 15 here, 15, so this is 15, so this is 15 in the top view. This is also 15, and then it is going upward. So you can find out this as the front view. Then this is straight by 8. You can find out in the top view the width of the length of this as 8. So this is 8. This is also 8. Then there is a conical groove. See this conical. So these are inclined lines. We cannot draw it first. We'll have to locate this square or rectangular slot first. The total depth of this is 17. 12 plus 5. So at 17 from here, draw a line parallel to this line. Then mark the midpoint of this. Then the base of this is 8, so 4 mm on this side and 4 mm on this side. So this is 8. The height of this is 5, and you can join this. So this is what is the front view. Then these all lines, the length, the width of this is 40. So this is 40. This is 40. All these lines should be extended by 40. So 40 means somewhere else here, so you can mark a line here. This line should be parallel to this, and this line should be parallel to this. So like this line should be parallel to this. So this will be, when we make it dark, this is 40. So all these dimensions are 40 degrees, 40 mm. that is 4. Then you can draw a line parallel to this from this corner. You can join it, and from here you can draw a line parallel. From here, draw a line parallel. So this is, say 2 lines are remaining. So from here, draw a line parallel to this small line, and from here also draw a line parallel to this. So this is what is the solution for the problem number 8, the figure number 8, this one. This total depth is 17. This is 5 plus 12, that is the total. This line, the depth is at 17. This is 8, this is 8, this is 15, this is 25, this is 20, this is 25, this is 40, this is 8, this is 5. The total depth of this is 17. 12 plus 5. So this is what is solution for the problem number 8. Thank you.